So you want a massive screen, but you don't want a heavy, permanent television taking up half your living room wall or sitting on a bulky media console. Enter the CYKE Mini Home Projector. It's small, like seriously small, easily fitting right into the palm of your hand or slipping effortlessly into a backpack pocket. Yet, it claims to output 4K Ultra HD resolution, handle seamless wall projections for office presentations, and create an instant home cinema experience anywhere. I've been putting it through its paces to see if something this portable can actually deliver, or if it's just another overhyped gadget. Let's find out. First, let's talk about the physical design because it gets a lot of things right. When you first pick it up, the standout feature is immediately the integrated built-in stand. Honestly, every single portable projector on the market needs to copy this design. Instead of stacking random textbooks or propping the device up at an awkward angle with a folded wallet, you can just smoothly rotate this chassis to project directly onto your ceiling or flip it straight at a blank wall. The hinge feels incredibly solid, holding its position without any annoying drift. But the real headline here is the explicit claim of 4K Ultra HD support. Now, we need to calibrate expectations correctly. In a chassis this compact, you are not getting the native optical glass or the massive lumen output of a $4,000 home theater laser installation. That is just physics. However, what this hardware actually does is handle high-resolution video input remarkably well. The internal downscaling and image processing keep the final output looking surprisingly sharp and crisp, especially if you are feeding it a clean, high-bitrate digital signal. When you boot it up in a dark room and throw the image onto a clean white wall, the colors genuinely pop. It features a punchy, vibrant contrast profile that makes animated films, modern video games, and cinematic shots look incredibly engaging. If you have the lights completely turned off, the visual immersion is absolutely there. Now, in a brightly lit office space with heavy ambient sunlight, sure, it struggles a bit against the glare, which is a universal limitation for literally any mini projector in existence. But the moment you dim the blinds even a little bit, text on a spreadsheet or a slide deck becomes perfectly readable for a meeting. Then there is the ecosystem and daily usability. A lot of these compact projectors fall completely flat the exact moment you try to actually play content on them. They usually suffer from clunky, frustrating user interfaces or require you to carry around 3 different proprietary dongles. This unit handles smartphone screen mirroring entirely natively. I tested it thoroughly with both iOS and Android platforms, and the wireless latency is low enough that scrolling through your photo gallery or throwing a high-definition streaming video up from your phone feels practically instant. You do not have to fiddle with deep settings menus for 20 minutes just to show someone a quick clip. It just works. Is it completely flawless? No, not quite. The built-in audio speakers are decent enough for a small bedroom setup. But if you want that true, earth-shattering cinema rumble that rattles your chest, you will definitely want to pair it with an external soundbar or a solid set of Bluetooth speakers. But as a complete, carry-anywhere package that instantly transforms any blank vertical surface into a massive display, it hits a very sweet spot. It perfectly bridges the gap between a utilitarian workspace tool and an instant, spontaneous home theater system. If you have been searching for a clean way to get a massive viewing experience without committing to a giant black rectangle on your wall, this might just be the most elegant solution available right now. Hi guys, if you want to buy the CYKE Mini Home Projector 4K Ultra HD, wall projection for office and home cinema, portable with smartphone screen mirroring and built-in stand, then please visit the link provided in the description.